This is a free crochet video on how to make a flowered bouquet dishcloth. With green yarn and eye hook, make a magic circle. Chain 3 and make 14 double crochets in the ring. The beginning chain 3 will count as the first double crochet. Join to the top of the beginning chain 3 with a slip stitch to end the round. Chain 5, this will count as your first treble crochet, and chain 1. Make 3 double crochets in the next stitch. You will do this twice. 1, 2, 3. Now make 3 double crochets in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and treble crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1. You will be repeating this process. Make 3 double crochets in the next stitch 2 times. Chain 1 and make a treble crochet in the next stitch. Then you chain 1 and repeat the process. You will end with make 3 double crochets in the next stitch, chain 1, and join to the beginning chain 5 with a slip stitch. Join in the 4th chain. You will see the 5 points starting. Round 3, chain 5. In the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochets. Double crochet in each of the next 2 double crochets. Skip 2 double crochets and double crochet in each of the next 2 double crochets. Make 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1 and treble crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1 again when you have finished. You will be repeating the following pattern. You will be repeating this process around. In the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochets. You double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Skip 2 stitches and double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Make 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space, chain 1 and treble crochet in the next chain 1. You will chain 1 and then repeat the process around. End the round with make 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space, double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Skip 2 stitches, double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Make 3 double crochets in the last stitch, chain 1, and join to the 4th stitch of the beginning chain 5. Round 4, chain 5, and repeat the following around. When you get to the end of this round, end with make 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space, double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, skip 2 stitches, double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, make 3 double crochets in the last chain 1 space, chain 1, and join to the 4th chain of the beginning chain 5 with a slip stitch. You will have made 70 double crochets and 5 treble crochets. Begin round 5 with the chain 5. Repeat the following around. By this time, you will notice that a pattern is forming. In each chain 1 space, you will be making 3 double crochets, and between each round of skipping 2 stitches, you will be adding 2 more stitches. On the previous row, you did 4. This row, you'll do 6. On the next row, you'll do 8. You will also have a chain 1 before each treble crochet, and each treble crochet will be in a treble crochet. You will also always have one chain after a treble crochet. You will end this round as before by slip stitching in the 4th chain of the beginning chain 5. To start round 6, make sure to chain 5. At the end of this round, join the same way you have joined every other round, and end off your yarn and weave in the end. Next, we will be making 5 flowers. Start off with a magic circle and chain 1. Make 5 single crochets in the ring. Do not join. At the end of 5 single crochets, chain 1 and slip stitch into the first single crochet you made. For petal 1, in the same space as the slip stitch, work 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, and 1 half double crochet. Your first petal is made. Now slip stitch into the next stitch and repeat the process. Make 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, and 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. Make the remaining petals the same way. Join to the first single slip stitch made with a slip stitch. End off leaving a long tail and sew to one of the tips of the dishcloth. You will repeat this 4 more times, sewing each to the tip of the dishcloth.